changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was.
Alright guys, just pulled up to this auto zone. Now I'm looking for engine oil. It's 1540. This is what we're gonna use. The Valvoline one we went with. This right here is supposed to take less than a quart or something like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drain it. I'm gonna put like a little bit more than half of the quart and check the oil level until it actually goes. Let it run for a little bit. Now I'm about to turn it off and go ahead and start doing that. It's a 17-inch socket. Okay, gotta move that alarm before it. A 17-inch socket. Okay, that's to tighten it. It wasn't even that tight. Surprised we didn't have any leaks. Not tight at all. So it doesn't even have to be that tight. Let's do this. Let's drain. All right. Uh-oh. Alright, so this here is what comes inside the motor. It's the cap, there's a spring, and then this is a filter. It's more of a screen than an actual filter. But I don't have a parts cleaner, so what I'm going to use right now is this duster that you use to dust off your keyboard and stuff on the computer. Go ahead and use that. Try to clean this out a bit. Whatever, do it from both sides. Get whatever little particles. At least try. It's not part cleaner, but it's what I have. This is how we're gonna put it back. Spring. I'll put this in like this. And the cap. You've seen in other videos. If you've seen other videos, you have to kind of actually gonna have a little resistance because of the spring. Kind of push up there and manually go ahead and tighten that up a little bit. Then finish it off with the wrench. Doesn't have to be crazy tight. Enough. Alright, so we're gonna take off the little fill plug right here. Meter, oil meter, whatever you call it. I'll go ahead and take that out. Leave this here just in case it don't make a mess up. We got our funnel. Put that in there. Now for the air filter, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this like that, just enough to loosen it up a little bit, enough to be able to pull this little cover off. This is our Phillips. There's 4 screws on the cover itself, and one on the little bracket right there that seals the gasket, so the gasket, so the air doesn't. Remove this right here. There's another one down here. 5 screws in total. This little foam. 6. Another one. First time. 6 screws. Move this. Don't put too much pressure on it. At least not on the hose. Like, the hose there. I don't want to put too much pressure. Pull this out. It's supposed to clean it. Clean it every 2,000 kilometers, it says here, and replace it every 5,000 kilometers. I did a Google search, and yeah, I had to 2,000 kilometers came out to 1,200 and something miles, and the 5,000 kilometers was 3,000 something. So I figured I clean it out twice and replace it a third time. You know? How are we gonna do that? We're gonna clean it out, put it back. Alright, I took this out, air filter, and I tapped it a few times. There's no dust, no nothing coming out of it. It looks pretty clean to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back there and check it again next time I change the oil. And it does say 5,000 kilometers to replace it, so it's not replaceable yet. It's not ready to be replaced. But since I don't really see anything to be cleaned out in it, I'm gonna put it right back in there and put these screws in there. And yeah, we're gonna. And that would be it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.